Hey, good morning. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to share a recent win. Excuse me as I get situated here. It's involving my phone. I had to replace it recently. And as a small disclaimer, I highly advise phone insurance and a security pattern on your phone. So, were you to be an unfortunate one who leaves their phone behind somewhere, no one can access any of your information. But I digress. Just wanted to speak on the randomness of a kind stranger that I had met during my little debacle, if you want to call it that. Replacing my phone was a joy, it was relatively easy, and my phone's amazing. But to get to the heart of the issue, I was having functionality issues with my phone, to say the least. I basically wasn't able to Bluetooth my phone in my car, so whenever someone called me, I needed to put it on speaker, put all of my windows up, and kind of just drive dangerous and look silly while doing so. So, with that said, I had popped my head into a dealership after a few weeks of just not being able to get it to work. And I had just been embraced by the kindness of a random stranger. I kind of put my head into the service area of the garage at the dealership. And the guy who was closest to me, I was like, hey man, do you think you can help me? And he's like, I don't even work for this company. I just repair their glass. And I go, that's totally fine. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've spent days, hours just trying to get my phone hooked up on Bluetooth. Maybe you can help me out. No BS. This guy gets in my car and in less than 5 minutes has it going. It's amazing. That's my win. I don't want to drag on and on and on and on about it, but it was just so cool to randomly go into a dealership, have someone who doesn't know me, super happy to help, gets it done, and wouldn't take any kind of compensation. I had offered him a coffee or a lunch or a beer or anything, and he's like, no man, sometimes we just got to help people and not want anything in return. And that really resonated and stuck with me, so I just wanted to finally get this out. I know it's been almost 2 weeks since I posted, so I'm going to stay consistent with this, and I appreciate each and every one of you that follow. Take care. Have a great week. Bye bye.